snow there. It's how many inches? 16 inches. Yeah.
Also
Jana, go.
house.
What?
Also houses. It's also wet.
Yeah, where is lake? Do you see lake?
No.
Sir, lake is
I see.
under the snow.
I see. But wait.
Little bit, okay. So it's full of snow now?
Coming down. Daddy, look, you can see the lake.
Where?
No, look here.
Yeah, the lake is all full of snow now.
It doesn't turn to ice in the summer.
Yeah, it's already turned ice.
Yes.
Jay? Right, Jay?
Ice.
Jay, can you open the door? Let's open the door. Can you show me? Oh my God, we can't open the door. Look at the height of the snow. Oh my God. Why? You got scared?
No.
Then? Jay, you want to see it?
No.
No?
Oh, oh.
Go home?